Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the machine and getting into BIOS quickly. Shut down, plug in power, use a wired keyboard. This prevents missed keystrokes. Power on and press the manufacturer key, F2, Del, ESC, or F10, repeatedly during post so you don't miss the window. Once inside, navigate with arrow keys. Don't use the OS. Make sure to note the current boot mode so you can return settings if needed. This gets you to the screen where passwords can be set. Once in BIOS, navigate to Security, Authentication, or Advanced. Different vendors label it differently. You look for Supervisor, Administrator, or User password entries. Supervisor controls full access. Select the type you need and press Enter to set it. Type a strong password that you can recall. Include letters, numbers, and symbols so it's resilient. Then confirm by retyping exactly. Make sure the keyboard layout matches what you expect. Otherwise, after setting the password, save and exit, typically F10, then confirm to apply changes. You must persist settings to enable the password. Reboot and test that the BIOS now prompts for the password. This confirms success. If you made a mistake or are locked out, don't panic. Power down, disconnect mains, and use the CMOS reset jumper or remove the motherboard battery for a minute to clear settings. This resets BIOS to defaults. If unsure, consult your service manual before opening the case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.